Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this Weston Lightmeter that I have. It comes in a neat little casing like this. So show the aesthetics of the casing itself. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so if I open it, this is the reading interface section, and the part that's reading. Then this is the selenium meter itself. I'm not quite sure how exactly that works, but I'm just gonna demonstrate to you that it actually works, and that would conclude the test. So as you can see, the lighting, the meter itself, it moves when I point to different areas in front of me. So yeah, so it shows that it's working, and if you are interested in this particular light meter, you can let me know, that I can sell it to you. And yeah, anything, please feel free to reach out lah. So if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share, and thank you so much everyone for watching this. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless.